is taking over the world, and it is called as Pokemon Go. Now this game has been developed by the guys at Niantic. It's available for download on iOS and Android devices. I had a couple of friends come over on the weekend and we went absolutely ballistic, looking like freaks, walking on the road, throwing something that didn't actually exist in our hands at people, and they were like literally ducking and wondering what the hell is going on. So today on The Whack, I'm going to tell you everything about Pokemon Go and how it is taking over the world. This is a video game that actually encourages you to get out of your house and capture, battle, train and trade Pokemon characters that magically seem to appear in the real world. Finally, a video game that encourages people to get out of their homes, socialize, and actually see what is going on outside the confines of their four walls. The game was conceived in 2013 by Satoru Iwata along with this guy from Pokemon. They had a little bit of help from their friends at Google Maps as well. September 2015 is when they made the first official announcement for this game, and unfortunately its creator Satoru had passed away 2 months before. Right now I'm sure that he's smiling from the heavens above at what a global phenomena this game has become. The game released on the 6th of July 2016 in the United States, Australia as well as New Zealand, and within 48 hours of the game releasing, the servers crashed. And that's why what they've said is that they can't release it in other regions, especially Asia, right now. Of course, the CEO has turned around and said that they want to fix all the bugs and issues before the rest of the world gets it. But later on in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can download Pokemon Go right here in India. Pokemon Go was released to mark the 20-year anniversary celebration of the phenomenon of Pokemon itself. And what a celebration it's been! Within 48 hours of this game releasing, it has surpassed the number of Twitter users daily on any Android device. The company's shares rose by 23% and they're already being valued at $7.1 billion. Ka-ching! Also, this digital dream come true, as Pokemon Go is being called, has been downloaded even more than Tinder on most Android devices in America. They're saying that people are spending twice the amount of time on Pokemon Go than they were even spending on Snapchat. So while Pokemon Go is encouraging people to get out of their houses, come together, unite and play, and they form teams, it all sounds really wonderful, but it also comes with a whole lot of concerns. A child stepping out of the house unattended and then encountering strangers, I think that pretty much sounds like any modern day parent's nightmare. And forget young children. Young people are also getting robbed of their iPhones and their iPads. Even the police in Missouri have reported that 11 teenagers from the age of 16 to 18 were actually robbed of their mobile devices because these robbers set a trap and robbed them at gunpoint. One teenager, also on the search of a Pokemon character, stumbled upon a dead body in the river. Because it forces you to stare at your phone all the time, a number of people have even reported to the ER within hours of starting to play this game. Cuts, bruises, falling into ditches, and of course, accidents while you're driving your car. Now, for the fun part. This is the link that you can use to download this game, but I have to tell you, it's officially not available in Asia, and also a number of people are saying that these kind of links can come with viruses. So yeah, that disclaimer down there, I'm not responsible if anything goes wrong with your iPhone or your Android device. A few things to keep in mind before you start playing this game is that it uses very little data, and you can even save your data by putting all your maps offline before you step out of the house. But it takes up a whole lot of battery power. So make sure that you buy yourself one of those battery packs before you set out of your home. Another thing is that as soon as the app closes, the game stops playing, and then that kind of defeats the purpose because it won't vibrate and tell you that there is a Pokemon character nearby. So you will become one of those people that stares at your phone all the time, which you don't want to do. So these guys at Pokemon Go are really smart. What they've done is they've also got this wristband that you can buy, which will vibrate every time there's a character close by, and it costs only $35. If you are playing this game here in India at night, then the chances of your server crashing are pretty high. Why? Because it's daytime in America. Americans are saying that this game is going to revolutionize their country. It'll probably help them get over their obesity problem. And on the fun side, it's also going to make them convert into the metric system. The creators of Pokemon Go have been very clever about where they're placing their Pokemon characters. And a lot of characters are showing up at historical monuments. What a great way of bringing their significance back, making young people actually visit them and get to know a little more about their history as well as their heritage. It's a very exciting game for me, and it actually got me dreaming and thinking about all the different things that can happen. Maybe it will increase the demand for driverless cars. Maybe people will even stop using their cars and get walking on the roads once again. Maybe dogs will get longer walks. Maybe strangers will become friends. Historical sites will become important to people all over again. There are a whole lot of possibilities out there and so much more to come. As I'm shooting this video, this game has been out only for 1 week. People are going to discover more and more fun things, and I would love to hear from you in the comment section below. If you're playing Pokemon Go, don't forget to share a whole lot of tips with everyone here in the tribe. Also, make sure that you visit our social media pages because there's a whole lot of stuff taking place over there. I'll catch you again very soon. Share this video, like this video. Of course, you're going to give me some comment in the comment section below. And if you've just subscribed, welcome to the tribe. Ciao. Simple search on Amazon, if you just type in sex toys, it will list almost 82,000 different products. You can have some really weird ones like this guy. It's the silver butt plug with horse's tail. The greyhound is the fastest dog in the world and can reach speeds up to 78 kilometers per hour. So let me put that into perspective. A cheetah can run up to like 110 to 120 kilometers per hour.